Hello again everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Texnation po ang pangalan ng channel natin. Maraming salamat po sa mga nakapanood ng ating videos on shorthand tutorial. Sana po natuto kayo. Today, we're going to present to you the brief forms. Some of these we've taken up already. But there are around 4 brief forms included here that we have not yet taken up. We have here the brief form N, which is represented by ND blend. The brief form was, which is represented by OS. The brief form when, which is represented by EN. And the brief form sent, which is represented by SEN. So all the rest should, could, from, them, they. We've taken this up in our previous lessons already. By the way, let me show you the book that I have here. This is an old book, Greg Shorthand Diamond Jubilee Edition. This is one of my collections and part of the one that we've used during our college days. I don't know if your library still has this edition. The lessons are quite the same with that of the Greg Shorthand Series 90 and the Centennial Edition. The arrangements lang po nakakaiba. So today, we're going to present to you, or I am going to present to you, the blend of combining R and D. We call this RD blend or RD blend. So this is represented by curving the tail of letter R. If you're going to compare, this is fear, F-E-R, fear. And if you're going to use RD blend, as in feared, the R, the tail of the R is curved a little bit. Okay, so you just need to curve the tail of the sound of R. So we have here examples like stored. So if you can see S-T-O-R or RD blend, T-I-R for tire, for T-I-R-D for tired, hired, H-I-R-D blend, appeared, A-P-E-R-D blend, guarded, G-A-R-D. G-A-R-D blend D. Guarded. You add D because it's past tense. Record. R-E-K-O-R-D blend. Record or record. Then we have H-E-R-D blend for heard. T-O-R-D blend for toward. H-A-R-D blend R for harder. Pag wala po siyang R, hard lang. So you add R, that becomes harder. You omit the E because that is a minor vowel sound. Okay? So, take note of the principle. RD blend is represented by combining the sound of R and D, and it is formed by curving the tail of letter R, or the sound of R. So, that's RD blend. Next will be LD blend. So, take note that laging may relationship po yan. NT, ND, TEM, DEM, diba? Now naman is RD and LD. So, LD blend, of course, if RD blend is represented by combining the sound of R and D, LD blend is represented by combining the sound of L and D. So, again, if you're going to compare, this is NAL for nail and NALD blend for nailed. So, again, you curve the tail of letter L. Eld. Okay. So, as in, F-A-L-D blend, failed. O-L-D blend, old. Pag may R, older, diba? S-E-T-L-D blend, settled. M-A-L-D blend, mailed. J-I-L-D blend, child. F-O-L-D blend, fold. Lagyan ng D, naging folded. Okay. B-E-L-D blend, build. Pero pwede po dito yung build as in B-U-I-L-D, as in to construct. Pwede po yon. Parehas ang tunog, parehas ang outline. So, the same sound, the same outline. But different spelling and different meaning. Okay. Held, we have H-E-L-D blend. And told, T-O-L-D blend. So, these are the two principles that are included in our lesson for today, the sound of LD blend, which is represented by curving the tail of letter L, as in failed, old, settled, mailed, child, folded, build, held, and told, and many others. And of course, the sound of RD blend, which is represented by curving the tail of letter R, as in stored, tired, hired, HIRD blend, hired, appeared, guarded, record or record, heard, toward, and harder, plus many other examples that you will encounter in the future reading and writing practices. So yan po, we are done with been in phrases, so we will not discuss that anymore. So for today, it's only LD and RD blend, plus the new brief forms that were not discussed yet. We have and, was, send, and when. From these brief forms, we can form derivatives, making use of the brief form as the root word. Okay, so thank you so much for watching.